You know, it's embarrassing that on the final day of the league, we are not fighting for the league title. We are not fighting for a CAF Champions League spot. We are not fighting for a CAF Confederations Cup spot. But we are fighting for a top 8 finish. Mate, it doesn't get worse than this. It doesn't get worse than this. Our standards have dropped massively. We need to beat Polokwane City in order to qualify for the MTN 8. A Polokwane City side that has to get only a draw in this game in order to secure their top 8 spot. And they've been playing well this season. They've been in the top 8 for the majority of the season. They beat us in the first leg. So they are going to play a low block, and we know whenever Kaizer Chiefs plays against a low block, we seem clueless, like we don't have a plan. We don't know how to deal with a low block. So this is going to be one of those games. And this may be Neswedin Nabi's last game as a Kaizer Chiefs head coach. Nothing confirmed as of now. Nabi insisting that he's still a Kaizer Chiefs head coach, but then we'll see at the end of the season. I've gone with this team. In goals, Brendan Peterson have started the last 2 games. He has been playing well. Vuma, by the way, has been selected in the Bafana national team. Congratulations to him. On the right back, I've gone with Dylan Solomons. With Riff Losla out for the rest of the season, he remains our only choice. And on the left, Eden McCarthy, who had a solid game against Skukune, made his debut there, played really well. Let's give him more game time. My centre back pairing, still the same, Edmilson Dove and Zicha Kwinika. Then in the middle of the park, I'm going to start Cele ahead of Kosing Pile Ngobo, alongside Yusuf Mart, who is also selected in the national team. Congratulations to him. Has been playing really well, I have to say. In the last 5 or so games, has been our best player. And I'm going to play him Tutuzi Shabalala as the number 10, Claudie Lilepo on the right, Gaston Sereno on the left, and Wandile Tuba up front. Mate, we have only one job here. Just go out there and win this game. That's all we need. This is like a cup final. We don't care how you win this game. Just win that game. Because it will be embarrassing to finish outside the top 8 yet again. 2 consecutive seasons. It will be a terrible season. Yes, we won the Nedbank Cup, but not making the top 8 also jeopardize our chances of winning a trophy next season, because the MTN 8 trophy is the easiest trophy to win, because we only play like 4 games there. So qualifying for this trophy put us in a great position to compete for a trophy next season. We just have to win this game. Yes, a draw. I think a draw may be may work, but there are many ifs. So just win this game. Nabi, please. Let's not see new faces. Let's not experiment. This is a final. It's even embarrassing to call it a final, but it is a final to us. Because we have to win that game. A win is the bare minimum here. Let's go out there and win this game. Get into the top 8, end the season on the top 8 with a trophy. Wouldn't be a horrible season. It wasn't a great season, we have to admit. But then, if we manage to get into the top 8 with a Nedbank trophy, it's something. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.